Hi, my name is Turkey, and I have survived 8 years of Thanksgiving. It's kind of hard to survive Thanksgiving, since everyone is trying to find a turkey. Farmer Pete is going to try to cook me. He cooked all my friends for 8 years, and I'm the only one left. I wish not to be eaten, so wish me good luck. Cow, where should I hide? Thanksgiving is today. Hide in a tree, mooed the cow. Okay, Turkey yelled. So Turkey started to climb up a tree. I can't climb up a tree, Turkey yelled even louder. Oh yeah, you're a turkey. You can't climb up a tree. So Turkey had another plan. He would hide in the barn. But he went in the barn. He looked everywhere, but the only hiding spots he saw was in a bucket, and he couldn't even fit in it. So he had to think of a new plan. He thought and came up with an awesome idea. I'm going to dress up like a hunter. So I dressed up like a hunter and got a gun, then found a dead squirrel and rang the doorbell. Here's your dead squirrel, Turkey said, and Turkey accidentally shot Farmer Pete. Sorry, said Turkey, but he was dead. So Turkey carried Farmer Pete in the woods and dropped him on his head and Turkey yelled, I'm free, free. He wobbled off in the woods.